What we want to do in this next problem is evaluate the 6 trigonometric functions of the angle 2 pi over 3. In order to do this, we need to figure out the coordinates of the terminal side of the angle 2 pi over 3. So if we draw an angle 2 pi over 3, we find that the terminal side of the angle intersects the unit circle at the point -1/2 comma square root of 3 over 2. So the x-coordinate is -1/2. The y-coordinate is square root of 3 over 2. As long as we remember that and the definitions of the 6 trigonometric functions, we should have no trouble with this problem. So we have that 2 pi over 3 corresponds to the point -1/2 comma square root of 3 over 2. So the sine of 2 pi over 3, remember the sine function takes as input an angle and gives as output the y-coordinate. So the sine of 2 pi over 3 is going to equal the square root of 3 over 2. The cosine takes as input an angle and gives as output the x-coordinate. So the cosine of 2 pi over 3 is -1/2. The tangent of an angle gives as output the ratio of y over x. So I have the square root of 3 over 2 divided by -1/2, which upon reducing equals negative square root of 3. Now we can do the reciprocal functions. The cosecant takes as input an angle and gives as output 1 over the y-coordinate. So I have 1 over the square root of 3 over 2, which is 2 divided by the square root of 3, which upon rationalizing is 2 root 3 over 3. The secant takes as input an angle and gives as output 1 over the x-coordinate, so I get that the secant of 2 pi over 3 is -2. Finally, the cotangent takes as input an angle and gives as output the ratio of x over y. So I have the cotangent of 2 pi over 3 equals -1/2 divided by the square root of 3 over 2, which equals, so let me just draw a line so you know where I'm going. So that equals -1 over the square root of 3, which upon rationalizing gives me -root 3 over 3.